How to stop living paycheck to paycheck. Imagine our friend Cooper standing in his kitchen wearing his famous white t-shirt. He opens his wallet, looks inside, and it echoes like an empty cave. Well, the paycheck arrived 3 days ago, and somehow it already left. The most important step is simple. You must know exactly where your money is going. Cooper writes down everything: rent, groceries, gas, coffee, and even those mysterious online purchases. If your money keeps escaping, you need to know which door it's using. A budget is not punishment. It is just a plan for your money. Instead of letting money randomly disappear, you give every single dollar a job. Yes, pizza can still exist in the budget, just maybe not every single night. Often, it's the small daily spending that quietly drains the wallet without you noticing. Saving even a small amount each week can slowly change your entire financial situation. Unexpected problems like car repairs or medical bills can turn into a mountain of debt. Having a small emergency cushion stops one problem from ruining your financial life. Sometimes the problem is limited income, so look for overtime or small side hustles. Before spending on anything else, put a portion into savings automatically every single month. Escaping the paycheck to paycheck life doesn't happen overnight, but anyone can start today. When you control your money finally stops controlling you. Actually, maybe trust this one thing.